everyone, and welcome back. I am Bunky, and yes, we have an unboxing. This is something that I know I have a video on my site already, but I happened to put in a very low bid on this as an offer, and the seller took it, and here we go. So more than likely what I'm going to have to do is figure out which one of these is in the best of shape and keep one and sell the other. Oh my goodness. Well, okay. Well, okay. All right, I feel bubble wrap. Uh-oh, I feel something here. What's this? Hold on. Sorry about that, but knock at the door, the dog goes crazy. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Okay, let's see if we can cut this out. And as you can see, we have a nice handle with a rubber piece. And the wire hook. And we have the wonderful floor piece. Yep, the metal base, litter pickers. Nice 2 rubber wheels. You can do it for hard floor or carpet. Parking bracket. Pretty good shape, huh? Okay, that was that. Anything else in here? Well. Oh, here's something. Ah. Nice. And there you go. And yes, it's adjustable, telescoping. We got the wonderful mini crevice tool. And the other wire hook, which has the quick release. And out comes the main unit. Ugh. Okay. See if I can. There we go. All right. Here we go. Let's see if I can get this out of its little case like it's a mummy. There we go. There's the cable. And yes, like I've said, you've already seen one of these on my channel, but here you go. Nice on-off switch. This does come with the connector for a power head. Nice. Which I do have one. Miele Quick Step. 300 to 1,000 watts. Get my glasses on so I can read the label for you. But there's the label. Number 123570948. type HS07. This is a 2012 model. Model number S194, 120 volts, 60 hertz. 9 amp with power nozzle. 8 amp without. 2012, huh? Cool. Anyways, here is the filter. And looks brand new. The seller said he put a new bag and a new filter in, but no smell, so that's good. Let's check for the bag. Sure enough, brand new bag. You think it's got a pre-motor filter? Yes, it does. Brand new. Okay, so far so good. So we do have a bag in. Let's plug her in and make sure everything's up and running before we put this thing together. Even Gidget is going to check it out. Now, you can adjust these from here. And you also have one on top, so if you have the handle on, so you can use it. And if you need to use the crevice tool, and if you need to use the floor piece, and then of course you can put the wand on this end, and you can, if you do your high end, you can put your dusting brush on, you could use your crevice tool so you can get up high and that kind of stuff. Or if you need to go out and clean your car, you can put your dusting brush on this end. Or you could put it on the other end. There you go. And put your handle in. Nice, good click. It's what I like about these is that multi-use. You know what I was just thinking? I really like using this thing around my house because it's so lightweight and quiet and easy to use. I was looking for something like this for our RV, something lightweight and multi-use. I might just keep this one and put it in the RV. The one I have on board right now, it does okay, but I can tell you it's not the best thing in the world. I bought it because it was cheap and lightweight, and it is. It's cheap. Let's just stick with that, cheap. All right. What do I have this on? Just have it on carpet. There we go. All right. Let me get some stuff to throw down on the floor and let's give it a nice test. Back in a second. Okay, we have our usual, just a little bit of rice, nothing fabulous. And we're going to see how this goes. And remember, this is just straight suction. There's no power head, no turbo brush, no nothing, just straight suction. You know, I'm just surprised how well it did. Huh. It's a very easy machine to use. I'm going to go get the power head that goes with it. We're going to play with that. Give me a second. Okay, there you go. I know downstairs somewhere I have the smaller power head. But this is the one I use because it stands up and it has all the adjustments on it. So it's like a step up from the one that you can buy for this. So I'm just going to use this one. There we go. So there's the recline. Well, there you go. As you can see and hear, it's very easy to use, very quiet, multi-purpose. Now with this power head, it's called the Miele Power Plus. It has 5 height adjustment. It has the LED headlights. But why I like it, because it stands on its own. With the regular nozzle, it does not. So with the regular nozzle, you have to lean it up against something. So let me throw down some more rice. Let's give this baby a nice try. Okay, so I have you down on the floor. We're going to throw some rice down. And we're going to put Mr. Miele to test. There we go. Let me get a sip of my coffee, because I'm a coffee freak. Good, good, good. All right, everybody. Here we go. So hopefully you could see it has great agitation, and it looks like we left one piece of rice behind. Other than that, I just think it's a great machine. It's lightweight, quiet, easy to use. The nozzle has great articulation, but we're going to continue to clean up this mess. Whoops. Banging into my furniture. Okay, there you go. I really like this machine. I think they call this the Miele Swinger or Swingette, something like that. You can find them. I think the older ones were like in a teal and white and black. There might, I'm not 100% sure if there was a blue one. However, I really like them. They're powerful, they're quiet, they're efficient, multi-purpose. Now, what I can tell you is be careful. Not all of these have the outlet down here for a power head. Some of them are just straight suction for hard floor and a little bit of light carpet. So if you're going to look for one of these, again, I think you have to find them used. I don't think they make them anymore. But you can still get them. I recommend them. I think they're nice. I think they're quality. Trying to get this wound up here. There we go. Bingo. There is a cheaper, smaller power head. I think I have it downstairs somewhere. But I don't think it has all the bells and whistles. I don't think it has the headlight, carpet adjustment, and it is smaller in width. And I don't think it stands on its own, but it's cheaper and you can find them. But other than that, this setup works great for me. This is low, it gets under my furniture, it's quiet, it's easy. I like them. Here you can kind of see, here's the one I use around the house. And look at it, I have got scrapes on it and see, so it does get used. Here is the dusting brush and the upholstery tool. And it's kind of embarrassing, but look at my dusting brush. Looks nasty, doesn't it? But that's on there. So it does get used. It does have a very nice, so if you're using it, and you, like I said, when you're using this with the regular floor nozzle, it does not stand on its own. But it does have a nice rubber piece so that if you lean it up against the wall, it stays. So that is nice. And again, you can put the, come on. There we go. You can put the crevice tool to get into your car or furniture and stuff. The furniture tool, the dusting brush, it all works. What else? I think that's basically it. Oh, so let me show you how sometimes I get under the bed. So I need to take this back off again. So if I'm not using a canister vacuum or something like that, I will take the handle off, take this off, take this away, and I flip it. So you can put this on, you can extend this, see? And then I put my floor nozzle on. And that way, if you go like this, you can go lay real flat and you can get underneath the bed, underneath furniture, whatever you want. And that works very nice. And like I said, to get up high, you can put your dusting brush on there. Where's my, oh, there it is. This is how I get cobwebs and stuff out of the corner. That's why it's so dirty. But I just put my dusting brush on there, and then I go all around my room. I get my ceiling fan, and you know, top of stuff. And I just hold it like this and do what I got to do. But that's how you can change it around. I mean, it all goes together so nicely. There you go. So, from my house to yours, thank you for coming in. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. If you have any comments or suggestions or ideas, thoughts or prayers for me, please put them down in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. How did I get this all messed up? How did I do that? But anyways, there we go. It's fighting me. It's fighting me. Okay, bingo. Come on, you can do it. But there we go. So this one says on the front, Miele, quick. What's it say? Quick step. Does this one say the same thing? No. So that's what I thought I saw it somewheres. This one on the front says Miele quick step 300 to 1000 watt with power head. And this one says Miele swing H1 quick step power line. So look exactly the same to me. So I wonder if the thing on the back says the same. Nine amp with power, 8 amp with just muzzle. This one is a 2000 what? This is a 2015. And what was this one? A 2012. So this one is a newer model. Not by much, but it is. But there you go. Voila. All right, thanks for coming along. If you get a chance, subscribe, maybe give me a thumbs up, and ring that bell so every time I put up a video, you'll be notified. Thanks for coming along, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.